Let's get ready to griddle. Hey y'all. Today we're gonna try some Healthy 8 chopped veggie mix with bacon. And I finally found some Chef Shammy garlic butter that's supposed to be so awesome. And we're being supervised by Baja. I'm going to excuse my arm. Oh. We'll start. Oh, that was more butter than I planned on throwing on, but it can't be wrong because it's butter. It's hot today. So, the air conditioner's running in the background. Sorry about that. Anyway, I discovered when I made my cabbage stuff, this stuff takes a little time to soften. So, putting that on. And it may help to have a griddle ready. I mean a spatula ready and a griddle. The cabbage and kielbasa thing turned out so good. We finally knocked off the leftovers. Took us a while. Got a bacon press ready, just in case. Sorry for doing things behind your back. This is Trader Joe's ends and pieces. Ooh. Which is a lot bigger than I expected it to be. Got both sides turned down to medium-low. Now we're getting to the pieces and ends and weird stuff. May have to do some chopping because I thought it was going to be more ends and pieces. Can you even hear me? Or was I wasting my breath? Is anyone even watching? Hello? Is anyone there? Hello? Anyone? Okay. Can you tell me where it hurts? Okay. Okay. Need a little information first. No, wait. Wrong side. Baja ball. There's the old grill, the old Weber that I usually use as a camera holder these days. But I thought I'd put you on this side to give you a better chance to hear me. This is the way we grill our food, grill our food, grill our food so early in the morning. As always, getting the mix of the smells of bacon and butter and veggies. It's so good. Da, 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 da. Back over here. Ah! Good thing I'm not naked. Bacon splatter. Okay. That's the problem with these oddball sizes. An oddball shape. You get oddball things happening. Maybe I should have cut it up first, huh? And my lovely assistant right now is saying, I told you so, and she did tell me so. Should have chopped it. But I didn't, so there. Okay, what do you say we sprinkle a little garlic on here, and I'll be right back. And welcome back from that commercial interruption. Today's sponsors, Chef Chamois butter stuff and the Bacon Bits and Pieces Association. Or not. Let's see. No, that doesn't chop well. Okay. Oh well. That one. Oh, look at that. Getting our chop on a little bit in some places, but not in others. What else do we have here? Make a little room behind you. I got a knife here somewhere. I used to have a knife here somewhere. Bang, clang, bang, ching, bang. Dang. Can't find my knife. So, stuff happens. And you move on. Okay, the veggies are pretty much there. Just wanna yeah. My chopper is not chopping too well. But we can throw some bacon over here. That makes bacon. looking kind of crispy. So, are you taking notes? Write this down. Chop up your bacon ahead of time if you want chops and bits and pieces in with your dish. Don't wait for your lovely assistant to say, "I told you so." Oh, there we go. Now we're getting some chop going. What do you think, Baja? Are we getting choppy? Oh, yeah. May even have to tear a little. And I think that's our 18-year-old cat Slinky saying "I told you so" in the background. I don't know if you can see down there in the corner. That is the cooling of the grease. So now we can start mixing in a little bit of veggies and bacon. And I'm sure you've had the same thing. Different parts of the griddle cook at different temperatures. So some stuff finishes before other stuff. Even on the same side, on the same heater. Da, da, da. Now we're getting bits and pieces and kibbles and bits. It is so hot. How hot is it? Well, it's so hot I can barely hang on to the bacon press. And I had to use gloves to lift off the cover. Yeah, it didn't match. Okay, now we can start mixing all this stuff together. Let's cue the air conditioning. Is that timing or what? Baja? Do you have any opinions? Baja is trying to stay in the shade instead of under my foot more today because it's hot. Give that another minute or so just to divvy up the flavors. Make a taste explosion in my mouth. It's smelling good. Can you smell it? I saved some of the bacon. This isn't a whole pack because I have plans. We got something exciting and different planned for later. You'll just have to tune in next episode. I'm not going to give it away. So, let's take a look here. Yum. Hopefully the sun's glare isn't blinding you like it is me. I think we're done there. Let's throw it in the pan. Once again, one of y'all's big food scoopers would be handy right about now. What's in the veggie dish, you ask? Well, I'm so glad you mentioned it. There's chopped cabbage, chopped purple cabbage, green peppers, yakima, and some other stuff. Carrots, chopped carrots. All kinds of goodies. Okay, let's just move this. Man, even the pan's hot from the sun. Speaking of hot pans, what do you say we give this a taste, shall we? It's not quite as good. Excuse me, my mouth's full. Not quite as good as the kielbasa and cabbage dish, but a nice, quick, easy dish anyway. So, that's a wrap, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.